Welcome to Talk Collective. This first video is just myself talking about the channel, what we're planning on doing, the car we're currently working on, introducing you to some of the plans. This channel, guys, is purely fixated on DIY and just getting through things in a way that's just about car enthusiasts. We're not going to take it too serious. We're going to have a laugh. We're going to learn some stuff along the way. More importantly, this is going to be about just builds and selling on and keeping things moving. So what we're going to talk about first is this absolute weapon beast of a machine, the Toyota Celica. All jokes, guys, yeah. This thing we brought for next to nothing. Definitely got a few bits and bobs. Suspension creaking, suspension falling apart, which you'll see in future videos. Huge exhaust, way too big for the car itself. Massively underpowered and seriously loud, guys. So let me tell you a little bit about the car. So it is a 2000 reg. It's the 140 something brake horsepower, so it's not a GT. It's nothing insane. It's nothing massive. We brought this to purely slam, throw it to the floor, get it through an MOT, throw a crazy wrap on it, and just have a bit of fun with it. Just talking you through a few things then. So bit of bodywork. It's not actually that bad. A few scratches, marks, a little bit dents, but for a car that's 25 plus years old, it's something that we are going to be working on over the coming months. As you can see, it's in a decent condition. It's not the worst I've seen on the market, but true to word, it was the cheapest we could find in the West Midlands, which was under £1,000. We did not expect to pay that, but we went out there, we negotiated, we made it happen, and we drove it back and got it back onto the drive, ready for this video. Now, as you can see, the wheels are off. It's up in the air. We have already done some work to it. It's important to remember that we are doing this a little bit backwards, so we're doing this at a point where we've already got a few things done, but there'll be separate videos. We do a suspension build, brake reset up, front and back. We've done headlight restoration, so you can see them now looking absolutely sparkling. Both sides, myself and Jack have done this earlier on. There's a separate video on that. There's a separate video on the suspension. I think we've got a few videos coming, Jack. Am I correct in saying that? Auxiliary belts, we're going to do a service video, but what I'm going to do on this video is just make a quick mods list. So what we have done, guys, we have fitted eBay specials coilovers. They're actually really good. If you can see just in there, they're the rears. Reconditioned the calipers, the fronts there. New brake discs. We've had absolute drama with the brake discs and front pads, but again, you'll find that out in future videos. We're thinking a wrap. We're not sure, guys, so we're might put it out to the public. We might put a vote on there and say it is up to you what colour we take this. But we've been playing around with the ideas of yellows, whites, all black, matte black. We've done it all. But myself wrapping a fair few cars over the past few years, we can throw something together and make it happen. But we are thinking black roof, something with a black combination. Body kit wise, we have a lip, again, eBay special lip. Told you guys we're doing this on a budget. We've got some side skirts going on it as well. The exhaust is ridiculous. Let me just take it to the back. This thing is an absolute weapon. It's probably a 3.5 inch tip, straight through, no cat, straight off the downpipe. It is an absolute joke. Interior wise, I'll take you through the interior a little bit. Pretty decent condition. It's already got a screen fitted, although it does scream in Japanese for some unknown reason. It's not an import, but relatively good condition. It's got the sunroof as well, which fully works. You know, one of the things that I was really shocked at when the guy was showing me around the car is everything works. I'm talking absolutely every electrical switch works. So just absolute credit for Toyotas for creating these cars for longevity. Back seats, no tears, no wear, nothing bad. Really, really clean. We are potentially looking at doing an interior swap, getting rid of the grey plastics, maybe sending them black a little bit. But we've got some interior modifications coming up. We're going to do some suede stuff. We're going to get the stuff completely set up in there. We take to the boot. If you know these Celicas, guys, you'll know they've got an absolute weapon of a boot, decent sized boot. Shocked that I've actually got the parcel shelf, because this is something that seemed to be missing from a lot of them. But we're thinking a boot build, nothing dramatic, no subwoofer. We're not playing around with the seats. I don't want to be in a position where we can't drop the seats backwards and forwards. Maybe do a kind of tie well build. It's a bit messy in here, guys, just to say we can gather in some stock. But yeah, so we just wanted to kind of introduce you to the car itself, see what your thoughts are on it. I mean, it seems to be a build that not many people are doing. Now, that's an indication to whether the car being a bit crap or maybe just no one's interested in building them, but we're hoping to stance it out, get some big camber on the wheels. Like I say, it's going to be an eBay DIY budget build. Please remember that, guys, and we want you to stick with us. We want you to subscribe, put your thumbs up, get the notifications turned on. We want to see you in every video. I want to see the comments. Remember, guys, we are doing this for fun. It is a laugh. We know there are a lot of builds on YouTube at the minute, and they're very much taking the supercar build, but we want to take it back to its raw roots. So you'll see on all our videos, we're either learning along the way or we're just making it happen. So yeah, so I just wanted to introduce the car, the build, myself and Jack, what we do. Absolutely nothing to do with cars. Morning, guys. I'm saying morning, it's middle of the day. Bro, this is Jack, this is John. Hi everyone. This is Jack and John. We're part of the Talk Collective team. This video, guys, we're just going to be throwing you into this head first, pretty much, and just making sure you understand what we're doing. You'll see these faces a bit. You'll see our car shows this year. We're looking forward to it. It's going to be fantastic. DIY, we know nothing. We're not professionals. So subscribe, keep updated, and we cannot wait to see what this year brings for Talk Collective. Subscribe, guys, thumbs up, and you've got to see a lot more of this and this guy, unfortunately for you.